Are you looking to expand or start your export-import business and seeking to export to the UAE? In this video, we will explain what products you can think of exporting to the UAE, the important requirements and procedures. But before we get started, it is important to understand some basics about the unique business environment and culture in the UAE, as this directly or indirectly affects the trading business in the UAE. When doing business with Dubai's importers and customers, bear in mind that you must understand and accept the culture. For example, do not actively shake hands with women, do not eat or drink, smoke in public places, in front of Muslims during the fasting month of Ramadan. Especially should not organize negotiations, meetings or promoting business in the month of Ramadan. 2. What products the UAE is importing? As you already know, the UAE counts 70% of the UAE's total import demand. It imports wide choice of goods. Below is a list of the most imported products in the UAE. 1. Natural or cultured pearls, precious stones, precious metals. 2. Electrical machinery, equipment. 3. Machinery, mechanical appliances, nuclear reactors. 4. Vehicles, railway or tramway rolling stock. 5. Mineral fuels. 3. The UAE exports. The main export commodities include natural gas and crude oil, as well as foodstuffs and products, which will be re-exported. The UAE also exports metals, like aluminum or copper, where the main export partners are Japan, South Korea, Thailand, India. 4. Import regulations for exporting to the UAE. The UAE imposes a maximum import duty of 4% of the CIF value of products, including prices, premiums, freight. Food, pharmaceutical products, and other necessities are exempt from tax. In contrast, tobacco and alcohol are taxed at 25 to 50%. To export to the UAE, it shall make clear all the requirements and documents you need to provide to your UAE importer. Some of the following import requirements are not applicable for an exporter, but it is still good to know what these are. License to import into the UAE. Importers are only allowed to import items related to the business sector, which listed in the license issued by the local authorities. Imported agricultural products, beef and poultry products, must have a certificate of medical quarantine from the country of origin, certificate of killing according to Islamic law, halal. Goods banned from entering this market are pork and lakh. These certificates are issued by the Muslim center in the country of origin. Halal certification is a process of independent third-party and objective review to confirm that specific products comply with halal standard requirements and Sharia law. Documents required including seaway bill for goods transported by sea, or airway bill for air cargo, certificate of origin, other types of documents issued by the competent authorities of the exporting country or certified by the embassy of the UAE. Pro forma invoice and contract of sales purchase. Specification of product, which specifies the usage, manufacturer name, importer, composition. Sales purchase contract. Trade barriers for entry, non-tariffs and import duties. Only companies with business licenses can register for import-export in the UAE. For religious and security reasons, the import of alcoholic products, cigarettes, and pork is limited. The UAE maintains non-tariff barriers in trade and investments by setting favorable standards on agents, sponsors, distributors, but making strict requirements for food products. As you see, the UAE is not very regulated. Procedures of import-export to the UAE are relatively simple and fast for Indian and other countries' exporters. We have service where we will seek buyers for you. You can read about this service and apply it.